Good morning, grade 1. Let's start a new class with Miss Hiba. Today we are going to talk about writing rules. Remember, writing is very important in grade 1. You are all great writers. Okay, look at these boys and girls writing. They're so happy. Writing makes me smart. My writing is a piece of art. Remember, your writing is like a piece of art. It's so beautiful. Rule number 1. Now, in writing, we have rules. Rule number 1, capitalization. What is capitalization? Okay, any sentence has to start with a capital letter. Remember, the first letter of the sentence has to be capital. This is so important in anything you write. For example, my name is Adam. Look at my toys. She has a dog. He plays football. Football. I'm sure most of you like to play football, especially the boys. Okay, you will see that the m in my is capital and the l in look is also capital, and the s in she has a dog, is capital. He plays football. Now, let's try something else. Your turn to correct some mistakes. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Uh-oh, there is a problem here. There is something wrong. My name is Sarah. There is something wrong written here. Huh? Excellent. The m in my has to be capital. My name is Sarah. Let's see something else. I like my family. Uh-oh. I. It's not capital. Anyways, I has to be capital even if it's in the middle of the sentence. I like my family. So capital, it's gonna be I like my family. Excellent. She is a girl. There's something wrong here. Huh? Think. She is a girl. There's something wrong here. Excellent. The s in she has to be capital. She has to be capital because the first letter of the sentence has to be capital. She is a girl. He can run. Think. He can run. What's wrong here? Yes, the h has to be capital. Excellent. He can run. Now this is written right. He can run because the first letter of the sentence has to be capital. Yes, I hear someone saying that. Rule number 2. Okay, let's get on with rule number 2. Ending punctuation. Rule number 2 is ending punctuation. What's ending punctuation? I don't know. Any sentence has to end with a punctuation, either a full stop or a period. You can sometimes you can say full stop, sometimes you can say a period, which is a dot. It's like a dot, an exclamation mark or a question mark. So these are the three punctuation marks, ending punctuation marks: a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. But let's talk about the full stop for now. A full stop is for telling. Look at this boy and this girl. They are talking to each other. They are talking, they are saying things. So they are telling things to each other. They're saying things to each other. For example, I have a dog. If I say I have a dog, I'm just saying I have a dog. My sentence has to end with a full stop. Don't forget the full stop. So for now, we have learned that the first letter of the sentence has to be capital. The first letter of the sentence has to be capital. And don't forget the full stop. I have a dog. I am sad. And the full stop. I am sad. And then I have to put a full stop. She is hungry. And don't forget the full stop. Okay, now your turn to correct some mistakes. Let's see. Some sentences are written wrong and you are going to correct them. First sentence. My name is Sarah. Again, the same sentence, but there's something wrong. My name is Sarah. Think. Don't forget the full stop. So my name is Sarah and then the full stop. I like my family. I like my family, but there's no ending punctuation. I have to end my sentence with a punctuation mark, either a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. But for now, we are only going to talk about the full stop. The question mark and the exclamation mark, we're going to take them after 2 weeks. We're going to talk about them and we're going to learn them after 2 weeks. So I like my family. What's missing? Full stop. Excellent. She is a girl. She is a girl. And there's no full stop. So if I write it correctly, she is a girl. The full stop. He can run. He can run. Don't forget the full stop. Okay, rule number 3. Space between words. Space between words. Let's find out what's space between words. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. It's so crowded and all the kids they are sticking to each other. It's so crowded. So I can't hear what this boy wants to say. I can't hear. He can't even talk because all of them are sticking to each other. Exactly like words. Words don't like to be stuck. They don't like to be sticking to each other all the time. So I could understand. There has to be space between words. The space is your finger. Your finger. You have to use your finger to write. For example, I, and then your finger, like, and then put your finger, and then my, and then put your finger, and then cat. I don't want them to be sticking so I could understand the sentence. Okay, your turn. Correct the mistakes. My name is Sarah, but look, my and name and is, they are sticking to each other. I can't even understand. What is this? Mynameis. What is this? If I write it correctly, excellent. My name is Sarah. Excellent. Perfect. I like my family. Sticking to each other. I can't even understand what's this. Okay, look, I, and then make a space, and then like, and then make a space, and then my, and then make a space, and then family. She is a girl. Also sticking. She is a girl. Excellent. Make space between she. Okay, rule number 4. Rule number 4 in my writing rules. My sentence has to make sense. It has to make sense. I have to understand what's said in this sentence. Okay, like my eye dog. Like my eye dog. Like my eye dog. Does this make sense? What does it mean? The words are mixed up. Could you put the words in order to make a sentence? Let's try. Think. Like my eye. Excellent. I like my dog. Yes, this makes sense. The I and the I is also capital and the full stop. Perfect sentence. That I see a. That I see a. What is this? That I see a. It doesn't make sense. Think. Excellent. I see a bat and everything. Capital letter and full stop. Great job. Pan has she a. Pan has she a. Pan has she a. But look at the words. Which one is capital? The she. So this has to be the first word in the sentence because the first letter of the sentence has to be capital. So she, pan has she a, she has a pan. Excellent. Capital letter, full stop, everything. So my writing rules again, let's revise them. Capitalization, ending punctuation, either a full stop, an exclamation mark, or a question mark, but for now we're going to talk about full stop only. Space between words, words are not sticking, makes sense. So let's see a sentence to make sure that we've learned. I will learn a lot in grade 1. I will learn a lot in grade 1. Okay, the first letter of the sentence, capitalization, yes, check, excellent. I is capital. 1, there is a full stop, excellent. A space between words, yes, there is a space between words, makes sense. I will learn a lot in grade 1. Yes, it does make sense. Excellent. Grade 1. I hope you like this class and we are going to use our writing words rules all the year. Thank you. Have a nice day.